I spent the last month setting up 7 different AI agents for local businesses, and the results were honestly ridiculous. And what you are looking at right now is the payment table showing $4,200 in total revenue, and this is the total revenue that I earned from these AI agents. And you can see each of these projects took me only 2 to 3 hours to build. Now the best part is that I did not even write a single line of code. Most people think that making money with AI means writing prompts in chatbot all day. The real money is in the results. So while everyone is playing around with ChatGPT, smart entrepreneurs are moving towards autonomous AI agents. And I want to show you a platform that I have been using to build these autonomous AI agents. The name of this platform is ASCN.ai. Now this is not just a chatbot. This is basically a team member that actually does the work, handles your routine, and generates money while you sleep. And let's suppose if you have been paying an assistant $2,000 a month to sort out emails and run reports, you are about to see how an AI agent can do that for only $29. You can build a fully autonomous AI agent that is capable of doing every single thing that your actual physical assistant is capable of. You can connect your autonomous AI agent with all of these third-party tools, and the best part, this autonomous AI agent will never sleep. It will work 24/7 and do any task that you will assign it with all of your third-party tools already integrated all at one place. Now before we dive into the live demo, you need to understand that why your current AI tools are probably failing you. ChatGPT and Claude are great for brainstorming, but they don't actually act. They are just like having a consultant who gives you a plan but refuses to pick up the phone. And on the other hand, you have tools like Zapier or Make.com which can act, but they require massive manual setup and constant troubleshooting. So this platform ASCN is the middle ground that we have been waiting for. You can describe the task in plain English and agent configures it by itself, and then it runs that task for you. It connects directly to your tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and Notion. It works on a schedule or triggers, meaning you can literally wake up to a full report in your Telegram before you even had your coffee. Now let me just show you exactly how this looks like in practice, because the marketplace is actually the game changer here. So this is the AI agents marketplace for business automation, and right now there are nearly 300 plus ready-made templates that you can launch directly in just 5 minutes. These are not some generic templates. Here you can see this is the AI sales agent for Telegram. This is an AI agent for analyzing customer pain points from real user posts, and it connects with 6 different third-party platforms including Reddit as well. So you can explore all of these different templates in here. These templates are across all these different niches including sales, marketing, content, operations, analytics, turnkey solutions, and lead generation as well. Just to give you an example, let's just look at this Google Maps Lead Hunter AI agent. So if I just click on this template, so you can see this is the Google Maps Lead Hunter. This is an AI agent for Google Maps lead generation. It can scrape 100 leads in literally just 5 minutes, and also it can connect with Notion and with Telegram as well. Now to start using this template, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is simply just click on this use template button and you are good to go. All you have to do is simply just connect your Google Sheets in here. Simply just click on connect and continue, and then just log into your Google account. So you can see our Google Sheets is connected. Next step is you can connect this out scraper. You can simply just click on that and now click on continue. And now you can just like provide your API key from out scraper, and just like that, within just few seconds your complete setup is ready. Now you can just give it a prompt which is to like scrape 100 plus dentists located in central London, or you can like mention any of your location or mention any other niches or categories, and then just press enter, and now it will scrape data from Google Maps directly. It will start the scraping immediately, and then it will enrich a complete spreadsheet and then present the final results to you. And just like that, you have 100 plus leads that were actually generated using your AI agent, and just like that, you have fully automated a very manual task. And now you can sell these lead lists to agencies for like hundreds of dollars. You can scrape as many leads as you want, and the agent will do all the heavy lifting. Another AI agent that I constantly use is this SMM Content Factory. So this is basically an AI agent that runs a week of social media content. This AI agent finds the trends, writes the post for all of your platforms, and even it can generate images as well. So one person using this platform can manage 25 different brands without breaking a sweat, because everything will run completely on autopilot. So if an agency charges like $800 a month per client, you can see how the math starts to turn you into a high profit machine very quickly. Now, even if you don't find exactly what you need in the marketplace, building your own AI agent is just just as easy. So to show you a demo how you can build your own AI agent from scratch using this platform, I'm going to build a custom order processing agent for an Instagram shop right now. So again, to build an AI agent from scratch, you don't need to know Python, you don't need to write a single line of code. We're just going to use this particular platform, and then we're going to build a complete AI agent, then integrate it with different AI third-party tools, and then we can just run this AI agent on completely autopilot. So to create an AI agent, all you have to do is simply just go to your My Agent section. From here, simply just click on this Create New button, and now you can just give it a name. So I can just give this name Insta Order Processing Agent, and now I'll simply just click on Create New. Now it is just setting up this workspace for me, and now I can simply just give it this prompt. And now I'm just giving it this particular prompt, which is I want to build a custom order processing agent for an Instagram shop. I want this AI agent to monitor incoming messages, clarify order details, and record everything into a Google Sheet. So this is my simple prompt. Now I can simply just press enter, and now immediately ASCN will actually start working on building this AI agent. And here you can see how fast it identifies these third-party integrations. Now asking me to connect with Google Sheets. So I can simply just click on connect, and now I can just click on continue, sign up. Again, I will connect my Google account in here. Now click on continue again, and now you can see Google Sheets is connected. So that third-party integration has been done automatically, and it has also created a Google Sheet as well. If I just click on this, open it here, and you can see this is the Google Sheet that it has created with all these different fields, including order ID, date, customer Instagram handle, customer name, product, variant, quantity, basically every single detail that is required to process that entire order. Now the next step that I need to do to make this AI agent live is I need to provide my Instagram business token and shop catalog. Once that is connected, now your AI agent will be fully functional. Now to quickly test this process, I can simply just drop in a sample order. So I can just ask it to drop in a sample order. Now what it will do, it will just give some sample data, and then we'll see how it fills and updates that spreadsheet on Google Sheets. And there you go, you can see it has just updated this spreadsheet in here. It has updated all of this data. It has added the order ID, it has added the date, the customer Instagram handle, the customer name, product name, and variant as well, quantity, price, delivery address. So it has automatically updated this spreadsheet as soon as the new order was triggered. Now this specific setup is something that you can sell to small business owners for literally $400 as one-time setup fee, and it saves them tens of hours manual work every single week. Now the reason I have moved my entire workflow over to ASCN from tools like Zapier is the sheer autonomy. My agents now handle my outbound sales by researching prospects and writing personalized emails that actually sounds like me. They even save the drafts directly into my Gmail, so I just have to hit send on the best ones. It is like having a full-time sales development representative that never gets sick and never asks for a vacation. So if you're looking to turn this into a side hustle or a full-scale agency, you need to look at the affiliate program. Most big AI companies give you nothing for referrals, but ASCN gives you a 40% lifetime commission. So if you bring in 10 people on a standard plan, you're looking at nearly $400 a month in purely passive income. They even have a 2-tier system where you get an extra 10% from the people your referrals bring in. For you guys, I have secured a massive deal. If you want to start testing this today, you can use my promo code AgentPro and sign up through the link in the description, and this way you are going to get your double subscription time. That means if you buy 1 month, you get 2 months for free, and on top of that they are giving you a free business audit and setup assistance. So you can just go ahead and subscribe to any of these plans from here. There are these limited plans as well. Let's suppose this gold plan for 180 days and this VIP plan for 365 days, like for whole year. So if you just use my promo code, you will receive the doubling of subscription time. You're not here for another AI toy, you are here for results. So whether you want to replace a distracted employee or maybe scale your own freelance business or just get your time back, this is the tool that actually delivers. So stop treating AI like a search engine and start treating it like a workforce. Just click on the link in description, use the promo code AgentPro, and just like that, launch your first AI agent today. And if you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.